Ethereum generally is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that really has a very present worth of $2,034.28 and a market capitalization of $244,628,402 versus the in a real sense thought. Digital currencies generally have in every practical sense long past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in an unpretentious way. These days, it's a resource class that in every practical sense is significantly directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate in a for the most part significant manner. Some truly huge speculation banks even in a real sense secure Ethereum and especially other cryptographic forms of money all at once to really safeguard their resources under administration against a jogging expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, now is the right time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and especially long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that, by and large, depend on the readings of our especially novel crypto unpredictability file that especially assists us with measuring the market opinion and all things considered. Expect where in which the market plans to go in a sort of huge manner certainly. At this point, the cost of Ethereum truly is $2,034.28. Will the coin right in his sort of winds up at second spot in the truly generally speaking positioning, which is genuinely critical. The expressed sort of positioning especially is assessed based on the resource's truly present value that essentially is increased by its kind of current market capitalization, an equation that by and large is applied all through every single monetary market, which is very critical. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients truly get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in a huge way. It's likewise essential to, for the most part, consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in an unobtrusive manner. On November 19, the cost of Ethereum in a real sense was at $1,963.29. Toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in a real sense added up to 2.45%, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on November 13, ETH especially was esteemed at $2,044.42, which basically intends that from that point forward, the cost has really varied by 0%, which for the most part is very critical. A month prior, on October 20, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,604.59. In this manner, the coin in a real sense has taken a 26.78% action to, in every practical sense, arrive at its sort of present standings, or so they explicitly thought. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main sort of factor that we generally consider while making the cost forecast, which most certainly is genuinely huge. It's likewise critical to fundamentally keep a genuinely sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to basically have an especially clear perspective on where the market in every way that really matters is going. The examination of market capitalization essentially conveys truly equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors, which most certainly is genuinely huge. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to basically decide the really and general position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, or so they truly thought. Changes in market capitalization genuinely sure or truly negative fundamentally are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could head, as well as the resource's truly potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both by and large short and really long-haul points of view in a significant manner. This specific kind of measurement especially is likewise used to check the predominance of Ethereum, corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation in a quite enormous manner. To basically decide the exceptionally current market capitalization of ETH, we actually duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will in a real sense be essentially made sense of later by the sort of present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum basically remains at $244,628,402, which frames the reason for its truly present pretty positioning that sort of was referenced before. Yesterday, on November 19, ETH really had a market capitalization of $236,090,356,339 in a genuinely significant manner. Keep going week, on November 13, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in a real sense was recorded at $245,863,532,538 versus the in every practical sense thought. A month prior, on October 20, the market worth of Ethereum by and large was evaluated to explicitly be $192,975,473,128, sort of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Complete stockpile considers the quantity of coins that most certainly have proactively been delivered by different means, for example, through mining in an unobtrusive way. These digital currencies can for the most part be utilized either for certainly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in an unobtrusive manner. This measurement likewise calculates the coins that really have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which for the most part is applied to control the expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, the complete inventory of Ethereum by and large is laid out at 120,252,814 ETH, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Finally, the flowing stock especially is utilized to ascertain the market capitalization and in a real sense, evaluate the coin's genuinely current remaining in the positions, which really is genuinely huge. It signifies the by and large generally measure of ETH that is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that basically are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly certainly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, or so they especially thought. It's by and large in every practical sense accepted that digital currencies that for the most part have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for commonly long-haul venture since they are generally truly prone to for the most part value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Or so they generally thought. At this point, Ethereum basically has a circling supply of 120,252,814 coins. Over the essentially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the place of $13,132,945,197 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Yesterday, on November 19, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame for the most part remained at $8,064,677,046, showing hit at this point, the cost of Ethereum is $2,034.28. Will the coin at present really ends up at second spot in the fundamentally by and large, for the most part positioning in a very enormous manner. 7 days prior, on November 13, how much ETH that sort of was traded between market members in every practical sense was assessed at $7,952,138.11, which in a real sense is very critical. Presently for the most part comes an opportunity to sort of make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto unpredictability list, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to really predict the way that Ethereum will truly follow over the following 1 to 5 years, showing how 7 days prior, on November 13, how much ETH that all things considered was traded between market members sort of was assessed at $7.